So one of the things that you really want to pay attention to in terms of your electronics and situations like this is the type of mood that the fish are in. And it's really been pretty simple. We're just simply looking at the Lowrance and really paying attention to the 2D. You see them all day long on the graph. You can mark them plain as day, laying really tight to bottom. It almost looks like it's just part of the bottom, but you know those fish are there. And what we found is at different periods throughout the day, those marks will slowly raise just a little bit. They're still staying close to bottom. They're sitting on these current seams. So you really got to pay attention. But when those fish start coming up just a little bit on that graph, really make sure you're in the spot where you're seeing the most, because it seems like when they do come up, they almost all bite. And some of them can be little sauger, some of them can be those big walleyes. But pay attention to your 2D on your graphs. And those fish, when they're active, you're gonna see it, and you're gonna catch more fish if you're in the area that you need to be when they decide to start feeding.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.